In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop art in Google Gemini. First, open Google Gemini and start a fresh chat. A new chat keeps the conversation focused on the artwork you're about to make, so Gemini doesn't mix in anything from earlier prompts. If you see different modes, stick with the default creative chat so you can describe the image you want in plain language. Next, choose a subject. Pop art looks great with bold, recognizable shapes, so think of a person, an everyday object, or an animal that stands out. A single subject against a simple background works best. If you're using a real person, pick someone you have permission to feature. High contrast references tend to translate nicely into the graphic look we're after. Now write your prompt with clear pop art details. Say pop art style or comic book style right up front so Gemini knows the vibe. Ask for bright, saturated colors, thick black outlines, and halftone dot patterns. You can also mention flat shading, high contrast lighting, and a clean background to keep the subject the focus. For example, try create a pop art style portrait of a golden retriever wearing sunglasses, bold neon colors, thick black outlines, halftone dots, flat shading, clean white background. Or for an object, comic book style soda can, bright red and teal palette, heavy outlines, halftone texture, dramatic highlights, minimal background. Send the prompt and give Gemini a moment to generate the image. If the first result isn't quite right, guide it with short, direct tweaks like make the outlines thicker, use a yellow and magenta palette, or add a dotted halftone background. Small adjustments often make a big difference. When you're happy with the result, save the image to your device. Look for the download option near the image preview. To explore variations, keep the same subject and swap the colors, or keep the same colors and switch subjects. You might try complementary color pairs for extra punch, or a grid of 4 versions in different palettes for a classic pop art feel. You can also ask for different camera angles like close-up or profile, as long as you keep the pop art cues consistent. That's it. With a focused subject, a clear pop art prompt, and a few quick refinements, you can create bold, poster-ready images in minutes using Google Gemini. Have fun experimenting, and feel free to replay sections as you try new combinations.